Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step. So let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to log into your Shopify account and your Facebook Meta business account. If you don't have that, it's very easy. Just start a free trial from over here and you can go ahead and log into your account. But right now, I'm going to just log in with the Shopify account, and this is the dashboard where you will end up, and this is the dashboard for Shopify, obviously. But before we go further, let me tell you why it is so important to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify. You can track conversations, you can ad optimize, you can do like custom audiences, like create targeted ads for specific user basements and on their behavior. And you can do a lot of stuff like dynamic ads, inside analytics, and even though cross device tracking, event tracking, and e-commerce integration. There are a lot of stuff which you can do once you install Facebook Pixel on your Shopify. So how you can do that? First of all, on the left side of the menu at the bottom, you will find settings. Click on this option. You will end up over here. Scroll down until you see apps and scale channels. Click on that option, and here you can see Shopify App Store. Just click on that option. It will open up a new window, and here you will see the App Store for Shopify itself. You can add a lot of applications from over here, and obviously we are looking for Facebook, right? So this is what we are going to search, Facebook. And as you can see, this is where we end up. But there are a lot of applications related to it. As you can see, Facebook Pixel Conversation API and Facebook Pixel Conversation API also available over here. And this one, Facebook Pixel and TikTok Pixel. There are a lot of stuff. Which one we are going for, right? So in my opinion, just go for the official one, which they are provided from over here. As you can see, Facebook and Instagram. Just click on this option, and this is how it looks like. As you can see, if you scroll down, you can see that it launched at October 4, 2018. So just remember that if you are confused, and make sure you can see that get shop insight, including the best performance saying products and top tag content. Make sure to check these two, otherwise you are going to install something else. And you can see the pricing is free to install, so there is no hidden charges as well. You can also watch the video over here, like why the Facebook Pixel and also Instagram. Obviously, they have mentioned Facebook and Instagram, so you can go either way. So you can also watch this video for more info. And as you can see, just click on install now. It would take some time to load up, and here we are. What you are going to do, just click on install. Wait for a while. After that, you will see something like this. Here you can see on the left side of the menu that we got that application. You can even pin it if you want, so it won't go away. I'm going to pin it over here. And here you can see that drive more sales with Advantage Plus catalog ads. You just need to click on get started. And here we are. Here we are going to connect our Facebook account. This is the first step which we are going to connect our Facebook to, obviously, Shopify, right? So here we are going to connect our account. So let me do that first of all. And as you can see, this is the pop-up will come up once you click on that option. Just click on continue as you. Obviously, once you see that this is yourself. And here we are. Now they are asking for business account. If you don't have a business account, it's a very easy tutorial. Just comment down below and let us know that you need that tutorial. After that, just click on connect once you create your business account. And here is the thing which you need to understand. If you don't understand this thing, you might end up doing something wrong, right? So you are going to share data. Make sure to enable it if this is not enabled. So if it seems something like this, make sure to enable this. And you are going to choose preferences, obviously. Conservative, enhanced, and maximum. There are three options. What is happening here? How much data you want to share with Shopify and Facebook. So what is going on? That if you click on this option, you will see that you will share a very minimum amount of data with these two platforms. If you want to go with enhanced, you can see under there use proven established methods for strong ad performance. It would allow you to do a lot of stuff good, in my opinion. And go for the maximum that you are going to allow every single thing, right? Give the best possible results. As you can see, this settings is continually updated with this Facebook latest advertising technology and shares the most data with Facebook. So it depends on you, but in my opinion, go for this one, obviously. And you can view detail from over here if you want, like page and product views and every single thing over here. But I don't think it's necessary. Just click on save. Wait for a while, and now they are asking for create meta pixel. This is what we need to do, right? So we are going to create meta pixel. How you can do that? You can easily click on this option. It will open up a new window which is called business.facebook.com. Here's the whole tutorial about that, but I am here to tell you, right? So what are you going to do? You are going to open new tab and search for Facebook business. As you can see over here, just click on that option and you will end up over here. After that, what you are going to do, just click on this option, select your business account, obviously. Click on settings icon. Once you click on settings icon, it will load up like this. What are you going to do? Find data source over here. As you can see, we have Facebook pixel over here. Click on this option. After that, you would see something like this. Here you can see connect a new data source. This is what we're looking for, right? And here we have 4 options: website, application, offline, or CRM. Obviously, we are not going for the offline or CRM. We have Shopify, right? So you can go with the web, right? Just check mark this, click on connect. After that, it would take you right over here. Here you just need to click on name your pixel, obviously. Just name it and click on create pixel. After that, you will end up over here. Here you are going to enter your website, meaning your Shopify store URL over here. Just enter that over here and click on next, and it would take you right over here. Here they are asking you to do something. Choose how to connect your website. We have Metapixel and Conversation API, Metapixel only. I think go for this option. It would allow you to advertise with this setup, so a 13% decrease in cost per result on average. So this is very important, and most of the people will go for this. Obviously, if you are going for the Metapixel only, I think go for Conversation API also. So once you click on this option, and your pixel would be over here, obviously, and click on next. After that, they will ask you to click on the Shopify. Obviously, we are going for that. Just click on that, and they start for verifying. After that verify, you will need to come back to your Shopify page. Once you come back over here, as you can see, just click on refresh at the top, and after that accept the terms and condition, and it will be connected. And that's it. This is all you need to know, how you can easily connect your Facebook pixel to Shopify. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.